If you have a record and think Louisville won't hire you, that's not the full picture. The real issue is most people apply to the wrong side of the Louisville job market. Louisville isn't powered by corporate towers. It's powered by logistics. In this video, we're breaking down which Louisville jobs quietly hire people with records and which ones are heavily screened. Louisville sits at the center of one of the most important logistics networks in the United States. Interstates intersect here, river shipping moves through here, and the world's largest package handling hub operates here. That changes how hiring works, because logistics cities hire differently than corporate cities. If you don't understand the structure, rejection feels personal, even when it's structural. Here's what most people don't realize. UPS Worldport is the largest automated package handling facility in the world. UPS employs more than 20,000 people in the Louisville metro area, making it the largest employer in the region. The facility is 5.2 million square feet, about the size of 90 football fields. It has 155 miles of conveyor belts, and it processes 2 million packages per day. Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport ranks third among U.S. airports for cargo, after Memphis and Anchorage. That's not trivia. That's why operational jobs open here every week. Planes arrive overnight. Sorting facilities operate overnight. Trucks depart before sunrise. That doesn't mean automatic hiring. It means case-by-case review. And targeting the right layer matters more than applying everywhere. In a minute, I'll explain the biggest mistake people make when searching. Louisville jobs for felons. But first, you need to understand the geography. Because Louisville isn't one hiring zone. You can't job search Louisville like it's one zip code. Here's the real map. Airport/Worldport Zone. This is the heart of Louisville logistics. UPS Worldport. Cargo operations. Sorting facilities. Vendor ecosystem. Warehouse staging. This zone alone drives massive operational hiring volume. I-65 corridor. Distribution centers, manufacturing plants, freight logistics. This corridor runs north-south through the region. I-64 corridor, industrial parks, regional warehousing. This corridor runs east-west through the metro. I-71 corridor connects Louisville to Cincinnati, additional distribution and manufacturing operations. Riverport area, Ohio River shipping, barge loading, dock operations. Louisville is a major inland port. Downtown Louisville, corporate offices, healthcare administration, government, higher centralized screening. If you apply only downtown, you're applying to the most filtered part of the market. Operational hiring volume exists outside that layer. Here's what you need to understand about Kentucky. Kentucky does not have a universal private sector ban-the-box law. Some public employers delay background checks. Private employers may screen earlier in the process. Kentucky allows expungement in certain situations, depending on offense type and waiting period. Here's the key. Warehouse, freight logistics, construction, manufacturing, facilities support. These are operational roles. They are evaluated differently than financial institutions, government clearance roles, licensed healthcare professions. Also, the Work Opportunity Tax Credit, or WOTC, is a federal program that can give employers a tax break for hiring you. As of early 2026, WOTC is in a federal hiatus. But if employers are interested, they can still submit your paperwork now. That way, they may be able to claim the credit retroactively if Congress reauthorizes the program. But not every employer uses it, and you should never rely on it as your main strategy. Layer matters. When people think Louisville jobs, they think corporate offices, healthcare administration, government roles. Those can be selective. But Louisville runs on. Air cargo, package logistics, warehousing, manufacturing, construction, healthcare support. Many of these roles are filled through contractors and staffing agencies, not centralized HR filters. That distinction changes everything. So what does intentional actually mean in Louisville? It means target airport-adjacent warehouse zones, target I-65 and I-64 logistics corridors. Use staffing agencies strategically. Separate licensed professions from operational roles. Apply where supervision is built in and case by case from the employer's side. That means someone is weighing the role, the offense, how long ago it happened, and whether the work is supervised. Strategy beats mass applications, every time. As we go through these pathways, listen carefully, because some of the most stable jobs in Louisville are the ones most people overlook. Number 1. Louisville warehouse operations run around the clock. Forklift operators, inventory support, dock loading, pick and pack. Turnover exists. Reliability matters. One important note: background check criteria can vary by employer and contractor. Always ask about the specific company's policy. Employers often prioritize attendance, shift consistency, safety compliance. Now, the UPS WorldPort ecosystem is similar to warehousing, but with its own unique structure. Let's talk about it. Number 2. UPS WorldPort creates an entire employment ecosystem. Sorting operations, equipment staging, maintenance crews, vendor support roles. Important distinction. Some positions require stricter screening. Vendor roles may operate under different standards. The key is knowing which layer you're applying to. Contractors supporting operations may have different requirements than direct UPS positions. Coming up, healthcare and hospitality pathways that operate behind the scenes. Number 3. Cargo vendors operate around Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport. Ground support, cleaning crews, warehouse staging, loading operations. These roles are often contractor-based. Know the layer before applying. Number 4. Louisville has major manufacturing employers and industrial parks along the I-65 and I-64 corridors. Assembly, packaging, equipment operations, shift-based environments. Staffing agencies often handle entry roles. Structured supervision is common. Construction is different from manufacturing. The work moves site to site, but hiring patterns are similar. Here's what to know. Number 5. Residential and commercial expansion continues across the metro. There is steady demand for general labor, material staging, site cleanup, concrete support. Subcontractor hiring is common. Work is visible. Supervision is built in. Number 6. Louisville has major hospital systems. Norton Healthcare is the second largest employer in Louisville, with more than 18,000 employees across 6 hospitals. Norton West. Louisville Hospital just opened in November 2024. U of L Health employs more than 12,000 team members, including the Academic Medical Center downtown. Baptist Health operates across the region, with locations in both Kentucky and Indiana. Clinical roles are selective, but support roles may include environmental services, laundry and linen, food service, facilities support, patient transport, often contractor-based, stable schedules, structured supervision. Number 7. Apartment communities and commercial properties across East Louisville, St. Matthews, Jeffersontown, Okolona, Southern Indiana. Need: groundskeeping, janitorial, light maintenance, building operations support, consistent schedules, individual review. These roles are more common than people realize. Coming up, workforce resources and your exact next steps. Number 8. Louisville has a significant hospitality and tourism sector. Downtown hotels, Kentucky International Convention Center, KFC Yum, Center for Concerts and Sports, Churchill Downs during Derby season. Back-of-house roles include kitchen support, custodial, event setup and teardown, housekeeping, reliability-driven. Showing up consistently matters. Hospitality spikes around events and seasons. Workforce programs are different. They're connection tools. Here's what to know. Number 9. Louisville has workforce development resources. kcc.ky.gov is the Kentucky Career Center portal. KentuckianaWorks.org is the local workforce development board for Jefferson County. American Job Centers serve the Louisville Metro. Local reentry employment programs connect to employer partnerships. These are connection tools, not automatic placement systems. Engagement matters. Showing up matters. Following through matters. In a moment, your exact next steps, including specific resources. Let's be clear. Second chance hiring does not mean guaranteed hiring. It means case-by-case review, role-specific evaluation, structured supervision. Anyone promising automatic hiring isn't being honest. The gap between justice-impacted individuals and employment isn't ability. It's access and strategy. If you've been rejected repeatedly in Louisville, pause before blaming yourself. The issue is usually strategy, not eligibility. We've seen applicants rejected in downtown corporate systems get hired within weeks in airport-adjacent warehouse operations. Same record, different corridor, different outcome. When you understand how Louisville hires, the job search stops feeling random. Here's what actually works in Louisville. 1. Start with Kentucky Career Center. Visit kcc.ky.gov. This is Kentucky's statewide career center portal. Also check kentuckianaworks.org. This is the local workforce development board for Jefferson County. They have physical locations and direct employer connections. 2. Target airport-adjacent and I-65 warehouse corridors. This is where operational hiring volume exists. 3. Use staffing agencies for warehouse and manufacturing. Staffing agencies are the front door for many operational roles. 4. Separate licensed roles from operational roles. Downtown is filtered. Corridors hire for coverage. 5. Learn Kentucky expungement eligibility, but don't assume clearance is required for operational roles. 6. Apply strategically. 10 targeted applications outperform 100 random ones. Small steps, focused energy, that's how this works. Felon-friendly jobs. Now exists to organize second-chance job pathways by city, honestly and clearly. We don't promise outcomes. We don't inflate claims. We map city systems honestly. Louisville resources, employer pathways, and record relief information are linked in the description. No email required. No paywall. Louisville is not closed to people with records. It's operational. Planes land overnight. Packages move constantly. Warehouses operate. Construction expands. The doors are there. You just have to target the operational side of the market. When you understand the system, the job search stops feeling random and starts moving forward. If this helped you focus your search, share it with someone in Louisville who needs clarity. Clear information leads to better outcomes.